that right? Right. Let's try it again.
Buff.
Jeff.
Buff. Cat.
Cat right here.
Cat.
No. Right. Nah.
Banana.
Oh, yeah, that does start with an L, like Lou or Ludmila. You are right. Here's Ludmila. L-U-D. What side is the D? This side? I remember her time upside down. Is that a B or a D?
Banana.
Thank you. Ludmila.
And the other ones. Daddy drew off the paper. Louis, where does it say Lou? Right where? That says Nana. Where does it say Lou? Good boy. Where does it say Mom? Where does it say Alex? Alex, right here. A, Alex. Where does it say Ludmila? Luda. Right there. Good job.